Hello everyone, I am Samira from CSC Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today my video presentation is on the topic pointers. In this video presentation we will discuss the types, definition, advantages, etc. Let us start. This is our topic pointers. Definition of pointers. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable instead of storing a direct value. Or the simple definition, a pointer is used to point to the location of data in memory. This is the definition of pointers. Why pointers are used? First point, direct memory access allows efficient use of memory. Second point, call by reference enables functions to modify the actual values. Dynamic memory allocations used to malloc or kellac. Efficient array and string handling to create data structures like linked lists, tags, and queries. Improves program performance and reduces memory uses. These are the some points why we use the pointers. Let us discuss the types of pointers. We have 5 types of pointers: null pointer, void pointer, wild pointer, dangling pointer, pointer to pointer. Let us see the first null pointer. A null pointer, also called nil pointer, is a pointer that does not point to any memory location. It is used to initialize pointers when they are not assigned any valid address. It helps to avoid accidental access to random memory. Example, int star p equals to null. /p is a null pointer. So null pointer is a pointer that does not point to any memory location. And we have syntax, int star p equals to null. And second one, void pointer is also known as the generic pointer. A void pointer is a pointer that can store the address of any data type. What data type we give to the pointer, it stores it. It is known as the void pointer. It is also called as a generic pointer. Cannot be dereferenced directly. Typecasting is required before accessing the value. And this is our syntax, void star ptr. And this is our example. This is our example for the void pointer. It stores any data type, we give that. And third one, wild pointer. A wild pointer is a pointer that has not been initialized and may point to any random memory location. Using a wild pointer can lead to undefined behavior or program cache. Always initialize pointers before use to avoid wild pointers. This is called a void pointers, and this is our example, and this is our output. So wild pointer means that has not been initialized and may point to any random memory location. Using a wild pointer can lead to undefined behavior or program cache. So we use some instructions to use this wild pointer. And next one, dazzling pointer. A dangling pointer is a pointer that points to a memory location which has been deallocated or freed. Accessing a dangling pointer can lead to undefined behavior or program crash. Always set pointers to null after freeing memory to avoid dangling pointers. And this is our example. Star includes stereo.h return 0. This is a simple examples to explain to understand this pointer. And next, last one, pointers to pointers. Pointers to pointer. A pointer to pointer is a pointer that stores the address of another pointer. It is also called a double pointer. Useful in dynamic memory allocation and passing pointers to functions. And this is our syntax, data type star star pointer. This star means multiplication. This is simple. And example, int main, int, here we take int a equals to 10, and int star p equals to address of a, int double star p equals to address of p. Return 0, and output value of a here is a 10. This is a pointers of a pointers, which is known as that stores the addresses of another pointers. And it is also known as the double pointer because it stores the another address also. So here it stores double address of a and address of p. And these are all the advantages of pointers. Pointers are very useful in C programming because efficient memory access variable and arrays directly in memory. This is the first advantages of the pointers. It access variables and arrays directly in memory. And second point, call by reference, allows functions to modify actual values. Third point, dynamic memory allocation, allocate memory at runtime using malloc or calloc. Efficient array and string handling, transfers arrays and strings easily. Supports complex data structure used in linked list, stacks, queues and reason. These are some advantages of the pointers. And we have disadvantages also. These are all the disadvantages of the pointers. Pointers are powerful but can be risky if misused. If we do not use pointers properly, it leads to many causes. Complex to understand, beginners may find them difficult. While learning the pointers, beginners find very difficult to learn this. Memory errors can cause segmentation faults if used incorrectly. If we use incorrectly, it causes memory error. Dangling and wild pointers may lead to unpredictable behavior. Memory leaks if dynamically allocated memory is not freed. Hard to debug means errors related to pointers are often difficult to trace. And here the conclusion, pointers are a powerful feature of C programming that allows direct memory access, efficient data handling and dynamic memory allocation. They are essential for working with arrays, strings, complex data structures. However, care must be taken to avoid errors like wild pointers, dangling pointers and memory leaks. And thank you.